To upload a file in Weebly, start by opening a web browser and navigating to the Weebly website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page and enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you will see various sections such as Website, Items, Orders, Fulfillment, Reports, Marketing, Communications, and Settings on the left side of the page. At the top right, you will find the Upgrade button, Support, Setup Guide, and your Store Name buttons. To upload a file, go to the website editor by clicking on Edit Site from the drop-down menu or the Overview button. In the website editor, you can add a file by clicking the plus sign and selecting Add Item. From there, you can choose the item type, add a title and description, and upload images or other files. Alternatively, you can upload files by adding a section, clicking on the video upload option, or linking a PDF file. You can also upload files from your computer and link them to sections on your website. This process allows you to easily add files to your Weebly website and customize it according to your needs.